Hi, this is Dean from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Avenue, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 07 3848 1382. Today we have a 1996 Toyota Corolla Seca 5-door hatchback. This shape runs from 5th month 1992 up to 10th month 1999. Stock number is 4529. This car has a 4AFE 4-cylinder petrol engine, backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. Here we have the 4AFE 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the rear of the vehicle. Left-hand guard, insurance quality. Left-hand front factory 14-inch rim with good tyre. Left-hand manual door mirror. Both left-hand doors have damage on them. Left-hand rear 14-inch factory rim with good tyre. The complete of this rear vehicle is damaged, so it's the gate, tail lights, rear bumper and rear bar reinforcement. No right-hand tail light. Right-hand rear factory 14-inch rim with good tyre. Right-hand rear door suits a good private repair. Right-hand front also suits a good private repair. Right-hand manual door mirror. Right-hand guard suits a good private repair. Right-hand front factory 14-inch rim with good tyre. This vehicle is fitted with factory grey cloth interior, driver's side seat, passenger side seat, automatic console. This vehicle is fitted with a factory grey vinyl 3-spoke steering wheel. Thanks for watching this video. I'm Dan from Total Parts Plus.